Welcome to Winning Products.
Today video, we're going to look at this new product called two-piece pack pet hair remover washing machine and reusable for length catcher for laundry, clothing, bedding, cleaning accessories, dropship. It currently have 4.0 star reviews and listed by 3 reviews, 355 folders. This is a winning product because when placed in your washing machine, as you can see the dog, as you can see the owner, and you can see the fur around the cloth of the owner. Once this toothpick spark pet hair remover is placed in the washing machine, and process of washing, um, your it removes this the fur, and that's the function of such product. Is currently sold on AliExpress at 4.40 USD. The listing is called Sequin Official Store. I'll link the AliExpress. I'll put the AliExpress link of this product on the description of this YouTube channel. I'll put the AliExpress link on the description section of this YouTube channel. So in case one sells product, you can go down and click on the link. Going further, it comes to different color variation, which is yellow one pigs, green one pigs, among others. Shipped to the United States, shipping is 2.80 USD from China, United States via AliExpress international shipping. Expect release on May 9. Based on market strategy, use US and UK TikTok pet influencers. You can also use Google search ads. You can also use YouTube search ads. You can also use as a market search. You can also use YouTube video ads. Um, you can also use USA and UK Facebook ads. Um, the proposed trading result for Tupix Pack pet hair remover washing machine reusable. The supply by the Express is 4.40 USD. The total shipping cost is paid, which is paid 2.80 USD. The gross profit margin is 14.79 USD. If you decide to sell at 21.99 USD.
If you find this video helpful, please like. Remember to subscribe and turn on the notification button to all so that you can get updated each time we publish a new video. Thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something in this video to decide which product to sell now.
If you are interested in other winning products topics like how to write a product description, how much does dropshipping business cost, how to name your dropshipping store, among other topics, please click any of the pop-up videos currently showing on your screen. Thank you.